So in this Redfin tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to use the affordability calculator here on Redfin. So once Redfin is opened up, I want you to go to the top to where it says buy, and then under buying resources, I want you to go ahead and press on affordability calculator. Now what this basically does, it's a good way of showing you guys maybe how much house you can afford and what your budget could be when it comes to house shopping. So for example, if you have an annual household income of, let's just say, $100,000, we'll go ahead and do that. You can type in your monthly debts. So if you your monthly debt, so if you know how much money you spend on like utilities or any sort of cost that way, you can add that. So we'll just keep this at $500, but maybe we can go up to 1,000, whatever the case may be. Up to you. You can also type in your down payment right here. So for example, if you wanted to put down, let's just say $70,000 on a home, on the right hand side of your screen right here, it'll show you what your budget can kind of be in regards to your monthly payment, how much of that would be a down payment, and how much your debt to income ratio would be. So you can kind of slide this across. So if you want to make it a little bit more, you can make your budget go down. If you want to maybe be a little bit more risky, you can go ahead and increase your budget this way. Then if all looks good, you can go ahead and get pre-qualified for a mortgage if you want to go ahead and proceed with this. So pretty cool tool in regards to how much house you can afford by using this affordability calculator. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. This is how to use the affordability calculator on Redfin. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.